changing every day in every possible way. And all my dreams are never quite as it seems, never quite as it seems. I know I felt like this before, now I'm feeling it even more, because it came from you. But then I open up and see the person falling here is me, a different way to be. La, 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 da, da. La, la. I want more, impossible to ignore, impossible to ignore. And they'll come true, impossible not to do, impossible not to do.
Madaman ni anak ko.
Pwede.
Creative siya.
Ito siguro yung masasabi ko na isa sa pinaka-importanteng araw. Kasi actually,
Ever since pinagdasal ko na talaga yung araw na to. Single pa ako, nagdadasal na ako na makatagpo, makahanap ng babaeng makakasama hanggang pagtanda.
matagal ko na siyang pinag-pray, and right now, thank you kay God kasi binigay niya yung isa dun sa wish ko na yun,
Na itong marriage na to will last until sa pagtanda namin, and to glorify God primarily sa lahat, and to be a blessing sa both parents and family namin and sa community. Na maging blessing kami, maging huwaran, and maging maging model ng mag-set ng example sa ibang marriages.
isa dun sa wish ko na yun, mapangasawa yung isa sa pinaka-importanteng tao sa buhay ko. And then, yun,
Married couple, we will overcome by the grace of God.
daba, eto na to, see you mamaya.
Dahil dito'y iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina at makikipisan sa kanyang asawa. At ang dalawa ay magiging isang laman, kaya't hindi na sila dalawa, kundi isang laman. husband and wife